On this exercise, you want to lay down the cord on the floor. Depending on what arm I tell you to do in your routines, you lie it down. Let's say where you're using your right arm, you lie it down so the handle is on the right side. Go ahead, grab it. You want to step with one leg on the band in different areas depending on the resistance you need. So go ahead, step on it, slightly bend your knee, keep this leg a little back, chest up, put your hand on your side, abs are tight, bring your arm to a 90-degree angle, just like that. Perfect. Now, blow out on the way up, breathe in on the way down, push it up, keeping the wrist straight, he's not moving it around. Come down till your elbow meets your shoulder, right there, boom. It's going to put nice pressure on that shoulder, that's what we want. We want to work the muscle nice and hard. When you come down, make sure it's a 90-degree angle. If not, watch this. He puts pressure on the bicep. You don't want that to happen. We want the pressure constantly on that anterior deltoid. Go ahead, push it up. Look at him keeping his abs tight. He's not swaying back and forth. His neck is straight as well. Look at how his arm isn't back or forward. It's directly in the center of his body. Once you start moving it around, it's going to work different muscles in your shoulder. We got to keep it in the muscle we're trying to work here and the goal we're trying to accomplish.